Hey guys, so I know it's been a while. I wanted to give you an update on what I managed to do since then. You can see here I've added these LEDs. They're pretty bright. They help a lot. They help me a lot to see at night, like what's the front. Otherwise, I can't tell what's going on. Besides that, I added the top. I will show you that under in a minute. Here you have a hinge, so it like opens forward. That way, when it's going, there's no chance of it opening and coming up. I have these rubber bands right here holding it down. One here and the other one right there. I have added the screen, which reduces a lot the amount of air that this pushes down. But it saves me a lot of time on, getting new propellers and balancing them out. So that helps. Besides that, I ended up using an umbrella, I guess. I don't know. I forgot the name of the material, but it's an umbrella that I just sewn together. Like you can see here, this is where the two triangles met to make the circle. Besides that, yeah, that's it. I will show you under it now. And yeah, hold on. Alright guys, so you can see I opened it here, and you can see how the hinge is in the front now. Soon I will take the whole thing off because it's kind of hard to see what's going on otherwise. But I just wanted to show you like how I have the switch right under here. So like when it's down here, I can just switch it on from there without taking the whole thing off. Besides that, here it's hooked up here. I will show you soon what that is. It's hooked up here to the servo, well, the receiver to the battery slot, since that is not in use at all. Besides that, I have what is it? Channel 4 not in use also, I think. Which is the thrust. This is the thrust. And this is the channel that's on use. Everything else is in use right now. Yeah, so I will take this off and show you how that hooks up and what that is soon. Alright, so you can see here I went a bit overboard with the amount of glue I put in. But I just did not want this to fail on me. This is just a this is a rivet actually. I took it apart, and this is the part that usually, well, you know, stays in the metal. But I didn't use it. I just pulled this out, and it's a good hinge. So yeah, that was nice. I got this idea from Flight Test. They used this once for a wheel there. So you should check that out. They're great. Got a lot of ideas from there. Here, besides that, you can see that my magnificent work on the wiring and everything. Here, these are kind of supports, I guess you could say. Kind of got lazy and didn't make any as much on the other side, but yeah. All right, so you can see here. This does not belong right now. That's for the battery. That's what I got to tell me how good the battery is, which I'm having trouble lately. But that's a whole different story. This maybe. So you can see here, this is channel 6, I think, which controls this servo, which controls that. And what it gives me is to control the center of gravity, so I can fix it up a bit. Also, I wanted to add a maybe a gyro, so like as you turn, this would go to the left or to the right depending on your turn, and compensate for the fact that you are, well, pulling to the right. Also, yeah, so that worked out really well. You can see here it's on this thing, which is free. Hold on, sorry about that. Yeah, so it just sits in between these two, and then it doesn't move. Happened to me a few times when I did crash and it fell out, but when you don't crash, it works well. really well. Um, you can see here that, this opening that I left here, that was supposed to be for the hot air from these two to leave, which they don't get hot at all. So I left this closed in front because I wanted to make these tiny openings so the air could come in and then come out the back. But I didn't need that at the end. Yeah, so here, this, I don't know if I showed you. I think I did. Controls that motor, and then controls these, which they are on a V-tail right now. Let's see if you can see that. Where is that? There it is. It's right there. It's V-tail, which was not worth it at all. I wanted this to be on a V-tail so I could turn this into a plane. Maybe later. For now, we'll just stick with this. Here, so I can show you how the gravity servo works. Center of gravity. Yeah, so that works really well. I think it was really noisy because I did hit with the prop something. I think a rock fell inside from the top, which is why it's so noisy, because it's shaking a lot. You can see the back one isn't as noisy as much. Yeah. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. I will try and update you more. Let me know what you think. Every time I go outside to test this, I forget to record. So I will do my best to record next time I'm outside taking it out for a spin or something. And let me know what you think. Any ideas would be great too. Thanks. Bye. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you this weird thing that happened to me. As I said before, I'm having a bit of trouble with the battery. What I was talking about is as the same day I got the battery, I was being stupid and I shortcut it. So something exploded on the inside. I managed to fix it. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, I had to use some wire to reconnect everything that yeah. Besides that, yesterday I charged it and it said that the first one was 3.7 and the other two were 4 point something. And then today I see that everything is equal. Everything is fine. I don't know. Is that normal? Does that happen? Let me know what you think, if you know anything that could help like keep it balanced, I guess. Yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you guys. Thanks.